Hey flowers, it's your girl Reese LaFleur and I'm back with another video. What's up, how you doing, So this video is going to be all about a wig review. This review is going to be about this unit right here. Clearly, this is a T-part frontal unit. This is the new like thing on the around the corner, around on the block, you know what I'm saying? This hair is from UNICE hair. So if you want to see how I got it to lay, how I got it to look, how it looks now, and then you want to hear my review, make sure you continue to watch. Before we get into all of the goodies, my name is Reese LaFleur, as I said already. This is a baddie of all trades type of channel. So we're doing fashion, hair, and makeup, nails, all of that good stuff. If that's something that you're interested in, please consider subscribing to my channel. Make sure you hit that bell for notifications so when I upload, it notifies you. Make sure that you kiss that like button. And make sure you comment down below and share this video with your friends. Yeah, we're gonna get into it. That's it. Let's just get into it. Set. Hey you guys, so we're gonna get right into it. Here is how the wig came. We're gonna pull that out. It comes with some wig caps and then this cute little baggie with more goodies in it, some lashes. I probably will never wear them, but you know, and this headband. I don't know about that one. And then here's the unit. This is how it comes out of the pack. Alright, so it has two clips in the front. That is the T-part lace, and then one clip in the back. I'm actually inspecting the knots, and I realized they were too thick. But I'm going in with my Beauty Bakery foundation. I'm just going to go everywhere where the part is, the T shape down the center, and then the small sections in the front. So after throwing on the unit, I am seeing how snug it is, one. And two, I'm also seeing that it just needs to be severely plucked. The hairline is super thick. Again, that is because of the knots. So, yikes. So I'm just going through and just trying to pluck out as much as I can. And then I'm going behind that first line of the hairline. I'm just going to go ahead and pluck some more. It's just super thick, but it's not a lot of space to pluck out. So it was really awkward trying to pluck this unit. I ended up plucking for about 20 minutes on each side, and it still wasn't, you know, to my plucking standard, but there wasn't enough space to pluck, if that makes sense. So very interesting there. I'm gonna start by laying down the unit with my wig glue, and this is my second layer now.
Oh shit!
You gave this to me.
No, I didn't. The shirt I gave you is up to right here.
No, it wasn't. This is the same shirt.
No, it's not. Yo, fuck up. Let me see the tag. You be fucking lying, bro.
On camera.
And lucky.
Yeah. So, excuse the interruption. My boyfriend is crazy. Anyway, so we're gonna start laying down this unit. As you can see, I'm trying to get it to fit all over my hairline. The hairline is super thick. I know you're looking at it like, girl, you ain't plucked that enough. Child, I plucked literally as much as I could possibly pluck without just pulling out all the hair in the front and just not having any hairline. like literally. So once I got that elastic band on, that helps with the melting. I'm just going to start brushing it out, and I'm going to put some layers in it. I'm looking at the color in the whole front section. Doesn't really have any color in it. It's very interesting the way they decided to color this unit, but hey, it is what it is. So I'm cutting both of the sides and the front to create like just small layers. And now I'm just going in and I'm going to start putting some big, huge wand curls in them because I just want to put some waviness to the hair. I don't want it to be so uniform and curl tight, but I do want it to have pronounced waves so that it looks nice and styled. So that's what we're doing right now, as you can see. So I just did 4 or 5 big curls on each side, and that's literally what this is about right here. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side off camera. Alright, so now that we're back, we're just going to start combing out these curls, making the hair look nice and, you know, long. Well, I mean, not long. Like, give it body, basically. You know you got a body, yaddy. I think every time I say give it body, I sing, you know you got a body, yaddy, which I should not be singing because isn't that an R. Kelly song? Is that an R. Kelly song? Anyway, ciao. So now we're going to take off the lace of the unit. As you can see, the middle part where that hair is not that bad. It looks very plucked. It's not as bad as the sides because the sides is where it's not a lot of lace. So it's not a lot of hair to even pluck it and all of that to make it look like something. So I've decided because of that, I'm going to put like 2 little sections of baby hair just so it looks not as wiggy in the front. And sometimes baby hairs can help do that. Just a quick little tip, if you're having an issue with the unit and you're plucking and the knots are big, this is one of the best ways to do it where it doesn't look as thick in some parts. And then you just want to hide the rest of the lace with the hair. That is like my go-to, this didn't do what I needed to do. We're going to do this. So now we're going in my Morphe palette, and I'm going in with that brightening color in that palette. I'm going to put some makeup on, and yeah, you guys, that's just what we're going to do. So after we put the makeup on, we're going to style it out a little bit. Yes, indeed. Doesn't look bad at all. Makeup always makes everything look so much better anyway. Not really, but I'm just saying. So that is that, you guys. And now we're going to go right into the review. Guys, so we're going to go into the review section of this video. Now, I have so much to say about this unit. Some things positive, some things not so positive. But this is a 13 by 1 by 6 T-part unit, 18 inches from UNICE hair. It is a body, a loose wave type of texture. It has a nice, I come out like extra curls and it has a nice bounce. I did not co-wash his hair. I went straight into just doing it, which I usually co-wash, but I wanted to see what it was going to be like without. Now, the positives about this unit, I do like the texture of the hair. The hair is super, super soft. It's very silky though, so that's if you like a little bit of a thicker hair, this might not be for you, but it is very, very soft. I'm not having a lot of shedding, which is amazing. Just a little bit strand here and there. I just got 1 strand, so a strand here and there, but not too much shedding. I do like the fact that even though it's a T part, the part is so long because that's 6 inches. I do love that because I feel like that's necessary for a unit like this. The color is not, I wouldn't have done the color like this for me. You could tell like whoever did this just threw bleach on it. So I wouldn't say that's pretty much a negative. I mean, the color looks pretty on me. I actually just recently did an ombre wig. This is more like highlights. I actually just recently did an ombre wig. So I have like 2 that look like this now. Okay, so now for the negatives. 1, the knots are super, super, super big in this unit. Because it's only this much lace and then this, I didn't see the need. I didn't feel like there should have been a need to bleach the knots. But there was a need to bleach the knots. I should have bleached the knots. I had to pluck so much. And honestly, once you get to about here, there's not a lot to pluck anyway. So, because the wig is small on me. So, I don't know if my head big or the wig small. Probably both. A combination. but the wig is small, so it's like pulling. So like when I glued it down, as you can see, it's up now. It literally pulled, and I didn't want to pull it back. As you can see, it's up. I didn't want to pull it again because I didn't want it to like pull out my edges. So the unit is small. The unit's small. So as you can see, so that's why I'm like, okay, if I wear this unit, I have to make sure that I'm covering it, and that's why I did the two little baby hairs here to kind of like mirage that the wig is small. And also, I don't like the way that the hairline is. The hairline is super unrealistic, and it makes it worse because there's not a lot of lace to work with. At some point, like this is barely lace. So at some point, it just doesn't, you can't even pluck it to make it look like anything. So I would never pull this unit back or anything like that. It would have to cover and be in my face the way that it is right here. That makes sense. I said they're not too big. And because they're not too big, I have to do a lot to try to cover them and make it look seamless. I can't stand big knots, you guys. That is a huge pet peeve of mine. The knot should not be that big, especially on a unit where there's not a lot of lace to work with. The knot should not be big. The knot should not be big. So like I was pulling out, as a matter of fact, I pulled out a whole knot, and I think I lost it because his hair and just goes everywhere. And I honestly wanted to show you guys how many strands of hair was in that knot, and I promise you it was like 6 strands. I'm trying to find it. I'm not gonna find it because it's hair, and I forgot about it, and I was moving around all kind of crazy. Yeah, no, I'm not gonna find it, and that's okay. But it was like 5 to 6 strands, 4 to 6 strands in a knot. That's a big knot. I prefer 1 to 2 strands, maybe 3, but that's pushing it in a knot. So that's really much what I have to say about this unit. I would try another T-part wig. It's not a bad idea. It gives off, like, it's less to work with, it's less to deal with. I mean, it's easy to make this glueless, especially if it's a good fit for you. Again, girl got a big head, so I guess that's why it don't fit me well. But it's going to be a good fit if you're not used to having the whole frontal look, or you don't care about having to be able to pull your hair up or do this style, that style, this part, that style. If you're like the middle part girl and you just like to have your little unit, throw it on and keep it moving, I think a T-part wig is for you. I really, really do. So if you're interested in trying out this unit, make sure you click the link that's down below in my description box. I will share it to you guys. Don't forget the pros and the cons that I gave you guys, because it is important. So right now this wig is not secure, but it is snug, so I don't think it's going anywhere. But yes, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching. This is the end of my review. Don't forget to join that flower gang by liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. Make sure you check the description box if you're interested in a unit, this unit, or a unit like it. Search it on Amazon. This is from UNICE Amazon, like I said earlier. Yes. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.